Most people download CoinPop expecting easy money fast. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Some users cash out successfully, while others waste hours playing games for almost nothing. So what is really going on with CoinPop in 2026? In this video, I'll break down exactly how CoinPop works, how much money you can realistically make, the biggest problems users face, and whether this app is actually worth your time. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll show you the one strategy that separates people who cash out from people who quit frustrated. First, let's answer the main question quickly. Yes, CoinPop is a legit rewards app. It pays users to download and play mobile games. Companies pay CoinPop to bring in new players, and CoinPop shares part of that money with users. But here's the problem. Legit does not always mean profitable. When you first install CoinPop, the app tracks how long you play sponsored games. As you play, you earn coins. Those coins can later be exchanged for PayPal Cash, gift cards, or other rewards. Now here's where most people fail. They think every game pays the same. It does not. Jake spent 3 days grinding a low-paying puzzle game and barely earned enough for a small payout. Meanwhile, Alex focused only on boosted offers and earned much faster. The smartest strategy in 2026 is targeting high-reward games with time-based bonuses. Usually, newer game promotions pay more aggressively because developers want fresh users quickly. In a minute, I'll show you how to avoid the biggest payout mistake. But first, let's talk about realistic earnings. Most casual users make a few dollars here and there. This is not full-time income. Think of CoinPop more like small side cash while you already have free time. This is where it gets interesting. Your device and location matter. Android users usually get more offers than iPhone users. Some countries also receive higher paying campaigns. So two people using the same app may see completely different earning potential. Now for the biggest issue. Tracking problems. Sometimes users play games but do not receive coins correctly. To avoid this, always allow app tracking permissions and launch games directly through CoinPop.eu. Never install games separately from the App Store first. Another smart move is cashing out early instead of waiting too long. John saved coins for months, then one reward option disappeared temporarily. Smaller payouts reduce that risk and help confirm your account works properly. So, is CoinPop worth it in 2026? If you enjoy mobile games anyway and want a little extra cash, yes, it can be worth using. But if you expect fast or serious income, you will probably be disappointed. The key is treating CoinPop like a casual rewards app, not a job. Focus on high-paying offers, avoid low-value games, and cash out consistently. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your CoinPop experience in 2026.